What's up guys, testing out the new mount, new setup, new angles. Gonna be a wireless setup, but this monologue will not have much dialogue while I ride because I'm gonna be testing out the DJI mic just for the bike sound, trying to get that down, and in between I'll be just talking, giving overview. So yeah, let's get going. All right. What's up everyone, welcome back to DMV Moto Me. Got a couple buddies maybe on the road already there riding, so I brought out my gray Ducati Monster 1200S, beautiful bike, and I brought out my new gadgets today guys. For the very first time in a long time, I finally got a chance to upgrade a couple of my stuff that I've been meaning to do, and today you guys are seeing it. I got the new DJI Mic 2 right here, so it's a duo, but I'm using one mic just to test the audio and try to capture the best bike sound that I can. So I'll be putting it in my pouch that I have right over here. Right now the setting is set to 32-bit float. I'm not gonna modify any of the levels within the tool, so you guys can see the raw audio that you get from this mic, and then the different setting options. Right now it's set to low cut off, 32-bit recording mode. Gain is set to 0. Okay, my next gadget upgrade is the Insta360 X5. I finally got it guys, I'm so glad. And I picked up a new helmet. Check it out. Shoei RF 1400. There's a lot of good reviews on it, right? They say that it's a good helmet, it's quiet, it's on the light end but not the lightest. I'm like, okay, it's good. It has a very big chin guard, which is great. It's gonna prevent all the extra wind noise going in. So later on, I will put the DJI mic inside. I already got a Velcro installed, and I also picked up another new device which I haven't tested. It's the Insta360 Mic Air. It's a wireless mic. I'm gonna be testing that out too. If I like it, I hold on to it. If not, likely gonna return it or sell it, you know. So this is the raw audio from DJI Mic 2. I'm gonna wrap it in this rag so it doesn't move around. If it does, it doesn't capture extra noise. That was the first run. Half of the road was wet and the other half was dry. Took it easy, didn't want to push it. And I know this tire got 2 patches guys, and every 2 days later it's not holding air, so it goes down. I have to fill it up. But now I'm gonna put the DJI mic on a different setting. This is how you change the setting. You push it down, then go to the transmitter, click on it again. So the low cut is gonna remain off. Play with the gain now. The gain was 0. I am going to lower it down. -12 is what I'm gonna go to. This is the lowest that it gives you. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away and we're gonna get going very soon. How you doing?
Good, what I doing?
Good, good. You probably saw 3 guys.
Yeah, they was fast.
They were moving.
I used to have the 12.
Yeah, it's nice.
DJI is the best.
Okay. I'm just.
DJI came and killed GoPro.
Yeah.
Now there was a couple of cars, they flashed and shit. I was like, yo,
Yeah, because
cops?
the park rangers were at the entrance to the park.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
You didn't see? I saw them, two of them.
But since I've been riding with earplugs, bro, I stopped getting headaches.
Yeah, true.
I would get massive headaches from heavily fucking ringing.
When you're gearing up and everything on a motorcycle, it's almost like a SWAT team.
Yeah, like getting ready to go. Yeah.
This bike also at 11,000 miles now.
I got 14.
JP has 25,000 miles on his
Street triple.
Damn.
almost.